so much bigger. This is the evening of day 4. All of them have grown significantly in size, except this one. It's the one that's like almost green colored. It's like yellowish, almost yellow brownish.
That's our nicest duckling.
Yes.
Our most friendliest. It's our hybrid.
But yeah, they're all pretty much growing
Big on
quite a
the
bit
back.
every day. So day 4, they're eating their nightly meal. They're super happy. This one is a chocolate runner. This one is a blue runner. This yellow one on the left here, that is a white layer. This one right there is a jumbo Peking. That one back there, the black one, is a black runner. The one he's kissing is a silver runner. The other brown one that came up to him, that one there, that is a khaki Campbell. They are all female except for one. The one that is a boy is one of these. Is that one right there? That's the boy. Who wants now? You want?
I'm getting all the nuts.
Come here,
This is so
buddy.
funny. Oh, hi, Pickles.
Oh. Come here. Where are you going? You gotta eat a little bit more than that. Come on.
Oh,
There.
bye.
Okay. All right, we'll let him go. Come here. Oh, this is the last one. Okay, tonight they'll be hopefully out of food and hungry.
You can get the other half. I think the soup though.
Mm-hmm.
Duckies.
Oh.
Wait, can we actually let them go onto the carpet?
They got the zoomies. Well, try not to, because I don't want them to poop on the carpet.
I
But
think it's time. They really want to get off now.
I don't think it is. Keep making sure they stay on the black part. But they are getting a little bit curious. So sometime next week, most likely, we will take them to some other places. Maybe even outside, but I don't know. Might be a little too early for outside. I think 2 weeks might be about the earliest we can take them outside.
See, some of them are really calm with me when I do this. And when I let go, then they might get out or they might stay. With my hands, they're okay with that. Pickles! Pickles!
Bring them on back. There we go. We are about to put these little dudes in for the evening. Well, I guess they're little dudettes. They're all pretty friendly, except for this little yellow one today. He's being antisocial with us a little bit. But maybe it's just because he's not that hungry or stressed or something. Yeah, the morning of day 6.
They're not cuter than anything.
Look at these guys. Look how big they're getting. I'd say they're about twice the size they were when I got them. It's been about 1 week. I heard they grow really fast, though. About 8 weeks and they're practically full grown.
So the 2 blue runner girls. Okay, and this one's the
This
boy.
has splashed food on me. I don't care if it's wet.
Whoa. This one looks like it wants a turn, maybe. Nope. Okay. Almost. Melody.
Boy.
Mm-mm. We're not letting Melody just pick them up like how Daddy is, because
I was trying to
she's
scoop that
learning
one up.
how to do it the right way.
I was trying to scoop pickles.
We want the ducks to get comfortable with him first, and then we'll all start holding them more.
They're all
slightly uncomfortable, at least a little uncomfortable being picked up. And so when you do it, you got to be really gentle, and you can't do it in such a way where you're trapping them or forcing them. Like I just picked up him. This is the boy. And put him in my lap and just let him down very gently, but he's not trapped. He can move and get away if he wants to. If I were to be holding him in place, he wouldn't like it.
Grabby hands. No grabby hands today. No grabby hands. Let them come to you.
Yes, you see how he can get away from me if he wants. I'm not holding him in place, but I'm letting him stay on me. But then I can try to touch him. I want him to get to a point to where they actually like to be touched, and to know where they like to be touched. Like some of them like to be touched maybe on their neck or something like that and rubbed. They have to learn to like that. It takes time.
Okay. Oh. These are our poop rags, so when we see poop, like right there, we get it. We get it as we're playing with them. We get the poop. Melody's learning to not be so grossed out. We each, every time we do the little play mat, we each get a napkin. Uh-oh. There you go. And we all just kind of
clean up their poop as we go.
Yep.
So they're not walking on it. They're making less of a mess for us later.
And then we can enjoy our time with them without it being incredibly messy.
They got some of it on the carpet already because they run around a little bit, but we got a special vacuum cleaner for that. That we haven't put together yet.
But
we
we
put
will.
it together, we just don't know how to use it yet. And when I pick them up, they like it when they have their feet supported.
Support the feet.
Or if their feet are dangling, they get a little scared because they're like, where am I going? My feet aren't on that no more. I'm scared. How high am I?
That would scare me too.
Because you might slip out.
Melody, no grabby hands.
I wasn't grabbing, I was scooping, and that one wanted to get away, so I let it.
Scoop's kind of a crap too.
Whoa, zoomies. Whoa.
I'll get them. You gotta get one onto them.
They're about to that point. Let's put them back in here, but the next time we play with them, I'll have the little pull thing set up in here for all of them.
Oh, Melody, support their feet, support the feet. Okay.
Now I know how to support.
We'll see you later, little duckies.